Ever sent money to a friend with lightning speed, only to be left scratching your head about where it actually goes? Cash App, the mobile payment service we all know and love, keeps things convenient, but there's one question that pops up for many users: who is the bank behind Cash App? This might seem like a basic detail, but when it comes to setting up features like direct deposit, it can get a little confusing. Fear not, fellow Cash App warriors. This video will crack the code and reveal the bank that silently powers your Cash App transactions. But before we dive in, let's rewind a bit. Cash App isn't technically a bank itself. Think of it more like a digital wallet. It allows you to send and receive money, make purchases, and even invest in stocks, all from the comfort of your phone. Super convenient, right? But to process all those transactions, Cash App partners with a real, brick-and-mortar bank. Now, this is where things get interesting. Cash App doesn't explicitly advertise the name of the partner bank on its platform. This can lead to some head-scratching when you're setting up features that require bank details, like direct deposit. So, who is the mystery bank pulling the strings behind the scenes? Well, the answer depends on the specific feature you're using. For most Cash App transactions, including sending and receiving money, the bank that facilitates those transfers is actually Sutton Bank. It's a reputable financial institution with a long history, and they handle the movement of funds between Cash App users. So, the next time you send a friend some cash to cover their half of the pizza, Sutton Bank is the one making sure those funds get delivered. However, when it comes to direct deposit, things take a slight turn. Cash App partners with a different bank for this specific feature, Lincoln Savings Bank. This is the bank that receives your paycheck deposits and then makes those funds available in your Cash App balance. Here's why Cash App might use different banks for different features. It all boils down to specialization. Sutton Bank might be a great choice for handling everyday peer-to-peer transactions, while Lincoln Savings Bank might have a more robust system specifically designed for direct deposits. Now, the key takeaway here is that you don't necessarily need to remember the names of these partner banks for everyday Cash App use. The app itself handles all the communication and routing behind the scenes. But if you're ever setting up a feature that requires bank details, like direct deposit, remember, Lincoln Savings Bank is your guy for that particular function. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Cash Apping.